This tutorial will show you masking footage, Capcut mobile online free video editing software completely for free. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial. First step in masking footage in Capcut mobile. Assuming you have Capcut mobile on your smartphone device, this will work for iPhone and Android. I have a video clip right here on the Capcut mobile timeline. And I want to mask the video, or I want to add a video on top of it and then mask it so we can see it well. You want to click on the timeline over here so that the video is deselected, and add overlay, which is on the bottom middle hand screen. Select the video clip that you would like to mask in Capcut mobile. Click add. Scale the video if you would like, pinching and zooming outwards. Go to the bottom hand screen, scroll to the right. You see the option mask, which is next to extract audio and next to duplicate. And we can click a couple different options. The horizontal mask, there's a mirror, there's a circle. I like the circle option, and as you can see, our video is masked. So if you were to pinch, you can zoom in, and you can even drag it to the right, left, up, or down. As you can see, you can click the check mark in the bottom right hand screen and successfully created a masked video in Capcut mobile online completely for free.